Okay, I'm gonna do a bike check real fast. Okay, I have fit handlebars. I just got them like 2 days ago. Fit grips. Really nice. My frame is United. Of course, this is a big United sticker. So yeah, there's my frame. And then I have a Colt, which I need to tighten. A Colt chain. And I have shadow pegs. I have Dub Edition, Dub tan wals. And then my rims are United, and my hubs are United. And these are United cranks, which I need to put my pedals on. There's a seat clamp. It's United seat clamp, United seat. Head says Colt, which I already told you. My forks, I just got these days ago, like $152. I just bought them. They're fit forks. So, real nice. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, Dub Edition wheels, tan wals, lime green, Colt chain, United frame, United seat clamp, fit handlebars, fit grips, shadow pegs, United rims, United spokes, so hub and everything. So yeah, that's basically my bike. Yeah, some stickers. So yeah, that's my bike. I can get back farther. It's my bike. Pretty beast. Lime green chain really sticks out. So yeah, it's really nice. Okay, bye guys. Hope you liked it. I know it sucked. This is my first bike check. You know, I'm gonna be doing a scooter check soon if I get one. Okay, bye guys. Okay, I hope you like this. This is my bike. Bye guys.